Good morning, all of you. Welcome to AL Medical IQ channel. If you not subscribe to our YouTube channel, please subscribe. Now discuss about anatomy and physiology, respiratory system, question and answer. Questions start now. First one is, which of these body system is involved in the removal of carbon dioxide? Option are respiratory system, digestive system, urinary system, reproductive system. The correct answer is respiratory system. In human body, all oxygenated blood is purified by option are heart, lungs, liver, kidney. The right answer is lungs. Next question. The average tidal volume is option are 500 ml, 250 ml, 150 ml, 600 ml. The right answer is 500 ml. Next question. Normally respiratory center is stimulated by option are oxygen, blood pH, carbon dioxide, lactic acid. The correct answer is carbon dioxide. Next question. Which substance form approximately 20% of air? Option are oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrous oxide, carbon monoxide. The correct answer is oxygen. Next question. The length of an adult trachea is option are 6 to 8 cm, 10 to 11 cm, 14 to 15 cm, 16 to 20 cm. The correct answer is 14 to 15 cm. Next question. Blood supply of lungs are option are pulmonary artery, pulmonary vein, bronchial artery, all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. Next question. Normal inspiration expiration time ratio at rest is option are 1:1, 2:1, 1:2, 1:3. The correct answer is 1:2. Next question. The normal mean pulmonary artery pressure is 5 to 10 mmHg, 10 to 20 mmHg, 20 to 30 mmHg, 30 to 40 mmHg. The correct answer is 10 to 20 mmHg. Next question. Test used to assess the arterial oxygen status is option are BPG, SpO2, ABG, incentive spirometry. The correct answer is ABG. Next question. Maximum CO2 is carried in the blood in which form? Option are plasma, hemoglobin, bicarbonate, lactate. The correct answer is bicarbonate. Next question. Which sound ausculted over the trachea is option are vesicular, bronchovesicular, bronchial, tracheal. The correct answer is tracheal. Next question. Which among the following blood gas value is most suggestive of pulmonary edema? Option are decrease in oxygen, increase in oxygen, decrease in carbon dioxide, increase in carbon dioxide. The correct answer is increase in carbon dioxide. Next question. Most common clinical sign of pulmonary embolism is option are tachypnea, tachycardia, cyanosis, sweating. The correct answer is tachypnea. Next question. DVT emboli most commonly lodge in option are heart, lungs, kidney, brain. The correct answer is lungs. Next question. Hyperventilation of lungs leads to option are respiratory acidosis, respiratory alkalosis, metabolic acidosis, metabolic alkalosis. The correct answer is respiratory alkalosis. Next question. Which of the following does not cause hyperventilation? Option are anxiety, psychotic illness, pulmonary hypertension, high altitude. The correct answer is pulmonary hypertension. Next question. Common cause of pulmonary embolism is option are fat emboli, air emboli, septic thrombi, venous thrombi. The correct answer is venous thrombi. Question. Drugs order in pulmonary embolism is option are warfarin, heparin, streptokinase, vitamin K. The correct answer is heparin. Appropriate position to a person with epistaxis is option are sitting up, supine position, lying down, lateral position. The correct answer is sitting up. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.